Alex Bump last night for the Phantoms. Another multiple point effort for Bump. Goal and 3 assists. There was a tuck right there for his goal. And then he set up Denver Barkey, who had not 1 but 2 goals in the win last night. Barkey is really wanting to hit another goal tonight for the Phantoms in a loss. How about Jet Lichenko? Well, from the OHL, there's his goal, a shorthanded tally as he uses that speed of his. He had 3 helpers, a 4-point night for Jet, as he is playing well at the OHL level. And then Porter Martone tearing it up at the collegiate level. He had 2 goals for Michigan State last night. And then again tonight on the board, second star of the game. You notice most of those goals right from around the blue as Martone continues to impress at that level. Look at those numbers. Bush, first round pick of the Flyers this year. Talking about 14 points in 10 games for a teenager at the college level.
Good to see all the youngsters playing well in all their respective leagues and teams.